In this video, we will learn about the subsets, universal set and power set. A set A is said to be a subset of set B if every element of A is also an element of B. For example, a given set has elements A equal to 2, 3, then the subsets of the given set are null set, 2, 3, 2 and 3. Mr. Pushpendra Kumar Shukla from Puran Chandra Vidya Niketan, Kanpur will tell us more about this topic.
We have to study the topic subsets over here. What are the number of subsets a set can have and what is subset? Subset are the sets which can be formed by a particular sets over there, and the number of subsets a set has, number of subsets will be 2 to the power n, where n is number of element in a set. So you can see over here, for the example, a set has A, B means 2 element. So number of subsets will be 2 to the power 2, which is equals to 4. Now when you have to write down the subset of this given set, first of all, null set is always a subset of a given set. Then a set which contains single element, a set which contains 2 elements over here like this. So all these are subsets of set A. So you can see over here, because set A has 2 elements, so number of subsets will be 2 to the power 2, which are 4, and now subsets can be written in this form. Next, the concept is of power set. In case of power set, if all these subsets are written in a bracket and the set is written like this, PA, and it is in the capital bracket over here, this is B, and then AB, this becomes a power set of set A. In case of universal set, first, what is a universal set? Universal set is a set which is said to be the parental set for the others. For the example, there is a set 0, 1, 2, 3 and up till 9. And this is a parental set for the others. For the example, A is a set of odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. B is a set of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. C is a set of prime numbers. This is 2, 3, 5 and 7. So you can see over here, all the elements of these sets are present as universal set. So we can say over here, universal set is a parental set for all these sets, and all these sets are subset of this universal set over here.
The number of subsets of a given set can be calculated with the help of the formula 2 to the power n, where n stands for the number of elements that the given site is having. The collection of all subsets of set A is called the power set of A. It is denoted by P of A. In the power set of A, every element is itself a set. The power set for the above example would be power set of A is equal to null set 2, 3, 2 and 3. Universal set is said to be the parental set of others and all the other sets are contained in it. It is denoted by U. In other words, we may say that all the other sets are the subset of the universal set.
For more such videos, log on to CBSE section of jagranjosh.com.